Hello, this is the rigging lesson. In this lesson, we'll set up the skeleton inside the character and prepare it for the next step. In the Perspective viewport, go to the Create tab. Locate the Systems category. Click the Animo button. Left-click in the viewport and drag until it reaches the desired size. Then release the button. Right-click to turn off the Animo button. Go to the Motion tab. This contains all the skeleton's settings, setups, and animation tools, distributed across different rollouts. In the Skeleton rollout, click Skeleton Setup. This panel is where we configure all the skeleton's main settings. Expand the Setup Mode rule out. First, in the Coordinate Display field, set the hip X and Y position values to 0. With the skeleton positioned inside the character, enable the See-Through option to better visualize the bones. Note that, by default, it is not possible to select bones that are inside the mesh. To fix this, change the selection filter to Animo. The Height field adjusts the overall size of the skeleton. The Thickness field changes the thickness of the bones. The size can also be modified using the Scale tool in 3ds Max. In the Height field, the scale is always uniform, regardless of the selected bone. In the Thickness field, the change affects the selected bone and its entire descendant hierarchy. Now let's position the bones, starting with the torso and moving along where it makes most sense. If the Lock Member option is enabled, moving the hip shifts the entire skeleton. To move only the hip independently, leave this option unchecked. To adjust the legs, move the knee and ankle. The foot can be adjusted next. The Local Chord System tool works like 3ds Max's local system, but without the Euler rotation limitations. This means you can move and rotate bones in any direction without losing axes or causing gimbal lock. For the arms, adjust the shoulder, elbow, and hand, and then refine the fingers. Use the mirror tool to automatically mirror the adjustments to the opposite side with just one click. Finally, we can make some structural adjustments to the skeleton. Add toes to the feet. If you're adding toes to the feet, it would be best to visually remove the big toe from the tip of the foot. Here, adding toes is like adding limbs to the skeleton. With the bone to which the limb will be added selected, go to the Member Options list, choose the correct option, and click the Add New Member button. The added limb can also be cloned. To place the limb on the opposite side, simply click the mirror button in Member Options. You can also delete or mirror entire limbs to the opposite side. Add or remove nodes or bones in the spine. In the neck, and also in the fingers. Add extra limbs that could serve as wings.